Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to insert serial numbers in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. So I am going to show you the very easy process by which you can insert serial numbers in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your worksheet of Microsoft Excel. Here is my worksheet. So I am going to show you how can you enter serial numbers. So you just have to select the cell from where you want to type or insert your serial numbers. I am selecting this cell, and from here I want to insert serial numbers. So first I am going to type the first to normalize 1, and select the second cell and type 2 and then press enter, and then you have to select both of these cells. You can select them by dragging your mouse, or simply you can click on them while holding shift. So after selecting these two cells, you can see a dot in the lower right corner in the bottom right corner of them. Here you can see it is a dot. You just have to drag this dot while clicking on it, and you have to drag it until you have to insert your serial numbers till that cell, till the end of the cell. So click on it and drag it. For example, I want to insert serial numbers from cell number 5 to cell number 12. So I'm going to just drag them to that 12th row and leave it. So it will automatically fill all of the empty cells in a sequence of numbers. So you can also do this. So I'm going to try one more time, and you can drag your numbers from whatever value you want. Like you can also start your serial numbers from 7 and then type 8. Press enter and then select both of them by dragging, and then drag this dot in the lower right corner and leave it where you want. So it will automatically insert serial numbers in a sequence. So that's how easy this is. You can also insert serial numbers in your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet by pulling the text that I have done in this video, and I have shown you the process step by step. Comment down below to discover more issues and share this video to your friends and family. Hit the like button. I hope you might find this video helpful and informative. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye. And